Let's start today's story. It is about the proud parrot. Once there lived a parrot in a big tree. He was proud of his beautiful green wings and red beak. One day he saw a crow. He thought how ugly the crow's wings are. He said to the crow that his wings are black and ugly. The crow replied, thought that they are ugly that help him to fly to a larger distance. The parrot moved little more closer to the crow, spread his wings and showed how beautiful he is. Just then a man arrived there with a cage and caged the beautiful parrot and left the place. Moral of the story is don't be proud of something that you have. Thank you for watching. For more moral or kids stories, like, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon.